Trinity Kids.
Let's do this!
Whose love is mighty and so much stronger, the King of glory, the King above all kings, who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder, who leaves us breathless in awe and wonder, the King of glory, the King above all kings. This is amazing grace. This is availing love. That you would take my place. That you would bear my cross. You laid down your life. That I would be set free. I sing for all that you've done for me. Who brings our chaos back into order? Who makes the orphan a son and daughter? The King of glory, the King of glory, who rules the nations with truth and justice, shines like the sun in all of its brilliance. The King of glory, the King above all kings. Yeah, this is amazing grace. This is availing love. That you would take my place. That you would bear my cross. You laid down your life. That I would be set free. Oh, Jesus, I sing for all that you've done for me. Worthy is the one we praise. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the one we praise. Worthy is the King who conquered the grave. Worthy is the one we praise. Worthy, worthy. This is amazing grace. This is availing love.
Hey guys, Nick here. Are you ready for week 4? Because I know I am. And do you guys remember the topic for this month? That's right, it's prayer. And the main idea is actually today's bottom line, which is never stop praying. Now let's go meet our friends. Hi guys.
Hi, Nick.
Are you guys ready to get started?
Yeah.
Communicating with God whenever we want or wherever we are is an incredible gift. Not only is prayer easy to do, but it's powerful when we do it. Many things happen when you pray. Our prayer can bring healing, bring health, and our prayer can bring hope to other people. Our prayer can even chase away the enemy. That's why we should never stop praying. Aaron, would you mind reading Matthew chapter 7, verses 7 through 8 for us?
Yes, I'd love to. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be opened to you. For everyone who asks receives, he who seeks finds, and to him who knocks, the door will be opened.
Thank you, Aaron. So my question for you guys is, should we stop praying even if we don't get an answer right away? And why does Jesus want us to keep praying? Monique?
No, we shouldn't stop praying because God is always listening.
Jesus wants us to keep praying because I think he wants us to keep talking to him and communicating with him.
Thanks, guys. And yes, it is very important to talk to God every day. So my next question to you guys, have you guys been praying every day? Why or why not?
Yes, it's important to pray every day. Just like we breathe and eat, we gotta also pray daily.
Yes, thank you for sharing. And what do you think you could do to make sure you pray every day?
I like to remind myself to pray in the morning and nighttime. So just like when I brush my teeth in the morning and at night, I have to pray in the morning and at night.
That's a great way of remembering it. Now for question 3. Has there ever been a time you wanted to stop praying to God? And if so, why? Monique?
Yeah, I was having a hard time in school and I felt like nothing was getting better and everyone was just ignoring me. And so I felt God was ignoring me too.
Yeah, because I felt like there's a time where I was praying and God didn't answer me, and I just thought, well, why should I still pray if he's not going to answer me?
Sometimes we all feel that way, but we always got to remember to never stop praying, to always pray to him, and to always keep his promise, even when it feels like he's not answering. All right, grown-ups, now it's your turn to go over the rest of the questions with your kids. See you guys next week. Bye.
Hi guys, it's DIY Sam here. I'm excited you're here so we can get started with our craft. We're gonna be making a prayer chain. This is what it looks like. So what you're gonna need is a sheet of paper or a few, depending on how long you want your chain, scissors, markers or crayons, and tape. Let's get started. We're gonna begin with one sheet of paper. We're gonna fold it in half. One time. Once that is nice and creased, we're gonna fold it again over. And we're gonna fold it one more time. This is gonna create the chain or the links to our chain. All right, and then in the end, when we open it all back up, you should have 8 long strips. So now, this is where you get to get creative and color, decorate these links however you would like. Let's do that now. If you have construction paper, you can use construction paper so you don't have to color the whole paper. This is gonna be my design. remember to leave a little bit of space on one of the edges because we're going to glue or tape them together. And on each link, you're going to write something you would like to pray about. Something that's important to you. It could be your mom, your dad, or anyone in your family, your church, our pastors, teachers, health, maybe COVID-19, you can pray about this, and you can pray for yourself. Anything that comes to mind, write it down. You can add as many links as you'd like. So now once you have your design, we're gonna cut out each strip. Now that we have our strips, let's get to building our chain. I'm gonna use these additional ones that our team made as well. Let's get started. You grab one strip, you're gonna turn it in, make a circle, grab your tape, so it's gonna look like this. And you're gonna have one chain. Let's keep making those. The next step, intertwine this next one into the one that's already made. Okay, then you're gonna tape it. All right, so we have two. I'm gonna add one of these. Intertwine, fold, and tape. So let's keep doing that. I will show you my finished product. And once you finish, this is what it should look like. This is a great reminder how our prayer is like a chain. It's an unspoken bond between you and God. Have fun. Now that we've done our crafts, I would love to see what crafts you've done. Send them to the link below.